So I'm here today for the graduation day for the MPTC group of colleges, and I'm here to receive my fellowship, which I'm obviously overwhelmed with and thrilled to bits with to be receiving today. So yeah, it's just 20 years ago since I was actually in Neath College, so it's nice to come back and see some familiar faces and enjoy the day in a great place.
We are husband and wife, and we are here today because we are graduating. We both did our PGC together, and we're also members of staff for the college. I'm a course coordinator at Llandarcy Academy of Sport. And
I'm a centre manager for CB and construction. It's quite fun actually because we do everything together anyway. What am I supposed to say, Liz? Oh yeah, it was the best 2 years of my life. Is that right?
I'm here today to actually receive an honorary fellowship from the college, and it's a huge privilege. I've been associated with the college for nearly 20 years in total, so it just feels really amazing to come back, one that it's in person, which is really very special as well.
I am very proud of Mommy.